hello together today with another technical mission. So I have today here a nice HP notebook. It's a model Pavilion 13 X360, as you can see. So this is a nice design, and it's not too heavy, and so very practical. So a silver designed HP notebook. So it had an AMD 6410 APU with integrated graphics of AMD Radeon R5. So what is interesting here, we have a touch screen, and you can also navigate on the BIOS settings over the touch screen, as you can see here. So it's very practical. So when your keyboard is not working and you have no external keyboard, you are still able to change the BIOS settings. So I'm going to replace the battery here in another video, because the battery is from the capacity low, and I got a diagnostic error here. So let me know if you like my video, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel for more technical missions, and let me know if you want to see how to disassemble this notebook, and subscribe my channel, and see you soon.